Jingle bell.
Still stuck in traffic. Been stuck in traffic for about 45 minutes now. I haven't even like moved. It's bumper to bumper. That's how crazy it is. My back is hurting. I gotta be like sitting up forward while I'm driving. Like, I just want to go home in my bed. I'm so hungry on top of it. This is craziness, man. Holy. Oh my gosh. I knew this was gonna happen. Like, I just knew it. And I feel like the traffic is just 10 times worse because it's snowing. So you have a lot of people that don't have their winter tires on. And then you have people that are scared to drive. But I know y'all a little confused because I said in one of my vlogs that I'ma have I have a little surprise for y'all. So if you read my description box, I said if you want to see, no, I said I got a surprise, but you gotta keep watching. That's the only way you're gonna find out. You just gotta keep watching and y'all gonna see what the surprise is. I'm so hungry. I don't want to stop to buy food because I spend too much money on junk food, so I don't even want to stop to buy food. And I'm really trying to cut junk food out. Well, it's not gonna be cut 100% out of my diet, but I just want to eat less. Like, yeah. And the same money I'm gonna go spend to buy a salad. It's like me going to grocery store. It's probably cheaper me going to the grocery store and actually buying the salad stuff to make myself. And I guarantee you I make a better salad. That's what's up. Stuck in traffic. Oh yeah. Just giving y'all a little update. I didn't really vlog today because I had some really important stuff I had to go on the road to do. So this morning I didn't even vlog. I mean, no excuse, but this is why I hesitated. I really hesitated and contemplated to do Vlogmas because I just knew I was gonna have so much to do, and yeah, but whatever. It's whatever. It's whatever. It's like -4 outside. It's so brisk. Cold. I still can't believe I haven't moved. Like, I've been stuck in the same spot. Moving like turtles out here. So much traffic, and it's like when it starts snowing or the roads just start to get crazy, people just don't know how to drive. It's pretty crazy. Like, I already know there's gonna be a lot of accidents, man. I mean, God forbid, but people are just driving so insane. Definitely not looking forward to this snow. Nah. 8 centimeters, man. And outside it's so cold too. Bro, I'm finally home and I'm so tired. So freaking tired. Like, I was stuck in traffic for like almost 2 hours, man. Like, it was not moving. I just pulled out my hair. I just pulled out one braid because my scalp's so itchy. I need to wash it. Outside it's so cold. Like, I had to pick up our garbage, like a recycle bin, and my hand was in the snow for like 2 seconds. And I was ready, like I was I felt like I freaking got like a frostbite. Obviously I'm boosting, but like, snow's so cold because it's actually snowing. Now it's officially snowing. I'm supposed to get like, he just said 4 centimeters snow, but I could have sworn it was more than that. I could have sworn it was like 8 centimeters. Anyways, I'm about to go pull out my hair and wash it. And I'm feeling tired, man. Being on the road all day literally just, it tires you out, man. It just really tires you out. I don't know how people do it, being on the road for hours. Especially because I was stuck in traffic for so long. Yeah, think I'm gonna make some ginger tea and call it a freaking night, because my room is so cold on top of it. Like, my room is so freaking cold. Everyone's room is like all warm, but for some reason my room is so cold. Such a product junkie. But I'm slowly trying to use up the stuff that I have instead of buying new stuff, which is so hard, because when you see new products or when you see products, it's really hard to not want to buy it. It's almost like you gotta like discipline yourself. And it's an awkward place for the camera to be, but it's like you really gotta try to discipline yourself to be like, no, I'm not gonna buy any more products. So that's what I'm really trying to just use the products that I have instead of like buying and just having them sitting underneath my cupboard. So yeah, I just washed my hair. I just left some of the Tresemme conditioner in my hair. And I'm just debating what product I want to use. Wow, there's actually a lot of conditioner in my hair. So much conditioner, like a little too much. Holy smokes. So if you suffer back acne like I do, I really want to, I'm gonna fill you in on something that I do at least. So I have back acne. So when I'm washing my hair, I don't always wash my hair when I'm in the shower. Like, I mean, like, you know, washing it like this, because all the dirt from your hair is basically going on your skin. Obviously, I know you're supposed to like shower, whatever, but this is just something I do to prevent further like dirt and ish going on my skin. Because, you know, when you take a hot shower, it's like your pores are opening, right? So obviously all that ish that you're washing from your hair is going to go into your pores. What I usually do is just like flip my hair upside down like this, and I just wash it in the bathtub. That way all the dirt and everything is just running that way, away from me. Another thing that I like to do is I wash my face when I'm in the shower, especially like when I'm washing my hair, because even just now when I'm washing my hair, I had a whole bunch of gel in my hair, so all that ish was just running in my face. So that's another reason why I like to wash my face in the shower, especially when I'm washing. Like those times was like my wash day, because we don't want all that ish up in our face. Diffuse it a bit before I go to bed. It's like something's burning. I'm gonna go diffuse my hair and get ready for bed, because I'm like so tired. So freaking tired. So I'll be right back, because I need to go diffuse this, because my hair is making me cold. This vlog about to be short, I already know that, because 1, I didn't do anything today. 2, because I got stuck in traffic for so long and I came home late. And 3, because I'm so tired. Ugh. Can I just be 6 again, where I don't have to worry about adult-ish? I'm so over life. Like, being an adult, I remember when I was younger, I used to always say, oh my god, I can't wait till I'm like 24, 25, I get to do this, I get to do that, I get to live my own life, blah, blah, blah. Now, I'm just like, can I just be 6 again, where all I have to worry about is what dolly clothes my dolly's gonna wear, or freaking playing Sims and shit. Like, life, man. I didn't even get to read my book because that's how tired I am, and I have a mild headache. And I know it's a migraine because I feel so nauseous, and whenever I feel nauseous, that's just like one sign how I know I'm gonna get a headache. Or like when I'm craving freaking sweets, man. Like, it's so weird, but if you get migraines and you understand, you probably experience like one of those things. But even when I walked in my room, like the light was irritating me. But sometimes I try to ignore it and not focus on it, like, and try not to focus on the fact that I'm gonna get a headache, because then yeah, it just makes it worse. Sounds weird, but I'm about to go on YouTube and play some, like, just some relaxing ocean music, because that really calms me from thinking, and just like it just relaxes my mind. So something about the beach sound. It's really, really, really relaxing. So that is what I'm gonna be doing. And I really want to read my book, but I can't turn the light on to read it. And Ziggy is like their connections chipping in and out. Like, being bullied is one of the worst thing that you can ever go through. Like, it messes you up so bad. Like, oh, it's just crazy. And it's like every time I go on Facebook, some little kids getting bullied, some little kids committing suicide because they got bullied. And it's just crazy that most of these kids that are committing suicide because they got bullied, they're like under 10. Like, a little girl that was like 6. That is insane. Like, at that tender age, you should be having like you should just be having like fun and not be worrying about kids bullying you for whatever the reason may be. It's so crazy. I was bullied, and whenever I see or hear other kids getting bullied, like, it really breaks my heart, man, because it's not something easy to go through. I just really have to thank God I didn't reach a certain breaking point like some of these kids do, because it's really, really hard. A lot of people are not strong to even go through it. Like, it's just crazy, and it's really, really sad. And a lot of these people that are doing the bullying, they never really understand how much it affects people. Like, to me, it's just like a selfish thinking. All they're thinking of just hurting the person, but they're not thinking of the outcome that can come from hurting the person. It's just insane, man. It's so sad. And I feel like a lot of kids that when they get bullied, the number one thing they tell you is to talk to an adult or talk to a teacher or whatever. Half the time when you talk to teachers, because this happened to me, half the time when you talk to teachers, it's like they don't care. Or like the easiest thing they say to you, the easiest thing they say for you to do is ignore it. Ignore the person that's bullying you. Or it's like they don't do nothing when you tell them. So now when the bullying continues, if you didn't do nothing the first time, what makes you think I'm going to come to you a second or third or fourth time? Like, a lot of the elder people, they don't believe kids. When kids say stuff, they think that they're over exaggerating. But I don't want to be that parent. If my kid's getting bullied, if my kid comes to me and tell me that they're getting bullied, I'm going to make sure that I'm doing everything to see what the problem is, because it's not something easy to go through. And it's really sad a lot of these kids are resulting to killing themselves, like committing suicide. I'm going to stop rambling and head to bed. Sorry about the crappy vlog today. I had a lot of stuff to do, and guess I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Yeah, if you've ever been bullied or have any insight on that, let me know down below. It's always nice to know that there are other people that can kind of like relate to you, because it kind of gives you like a backbone. It kind of gives you like that strength to know like you're not the only one. So feel free to share your story down below. We're all here for each other. If you follow me, we're all one family. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow.